Why do ice cubes crack? The hidden physics inside frozen water. Have you ever pulled out an ice cube tray, only to hear that satisfying crack as the cubes split apart? It's one of those tiny kitchen mysteries you probably never thought about. But the reason ice cubes crack is a fascinating mix of physics, pressure, and temperature, all happening inside your freezer. Let's start from the beginning. When water freezes, it expands. Unlike most substances that contract as they solidify, water does the opposite. It becomes about 9% larger when it turns into ice. That is because of how water molecules arrange themselves into a crystalline structure, a hexagonal lattice that takes up more space. Now imagine that expansion happening unevenly. The outer layer of the ice cube, the part touching the cold tray, freezes first. It forms a solid shell while the center is still liquid. As the remaining water in the middle begins to freeze, it tries to expand, but is trapped by the already frozen outer shell. This creates internal stress. Pressure builds up inside the cube, and the moment the shell can't take it anymore, crack! The cube fractures to release that stress. But there's another twist. Temperature shock. When you drop an ice cube into a warm drink, the sudden change in temperature makes it crack again. The outer layer expands from the heat while the inner core is still frozen stiff. That rapid difference causes the cube to literally split apart in seconds. Scientists call this process thermal stress fracturing. It's the same reason why glass can shatter when exposed to extreme temperature changes. Interestingly, not all ice cracks equally. Clear, slowly frozen ice, like the kind used in fancy cocktail bars, rarely cracks. That's because it's frozen under controlled conditions, layer by layer, with air bubbles removed and temperature evenly maintained. So the next time your ice cube cracks, remember, it's not just breaking apart. It's performing a mini physics experiment right in your drink. An everyday reminder that even frozen water has a fiery story hidden inside.